I have a lot of grinders. Unfortunately, I don't have any place to put the damn things. I guess it's a good thing it's Tool Tip Tuesday.
It's Tool Tip Tuesday. Tool Tip for free. Yeah.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Tool Review Zone channel. And yes, it is Tool Tip Tuesday. Every Tuesday, we have a cool tool tip for you. So if you want to get subscribed and hit that bell notification, well, you won't miss out on any of them. So today we're looking at the grinder, and yes, I have many of grinders. The problem is they're kind of a pain in the butt to store. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Oh, right here, this one. Yeah. Oh, here we go. So yeah, that's right. Today I'm going to show you a fast, cheap, and easy way to hang your grinder in under 2 minutes. Let's get that sweet, sweet timer going. Scrap piece of 2x4, 1 3/4 inch hole saw, screw. Take your piece of wood and your hole saw, drill a hole in it. If you don't have a hole saw, well, you can use a spade bit. Let's do this. Flip that bad boy over and finish it off. That's real nice. Free tip. Got a cork over here you just took out of your wood and a crappy neighbor that you can't stand. Toss this in their yard. Next time they cut grass, well, surprise. It's like a 2-for-2 Tool Tip Tuesday. Cut off your piece of wood in a nice square. Don't have a circular saw, miter saw, table saw, don't worry. Use any saw you have. Man, this 2x4 is hard to cut through. It's almost like it's moist. Now, if you want to stain this up and make it all pretty and such, go ahead. But for demonstration purposes, I'm not going to do that. Follow me, please. Drill a hole. Find the shelf that you want to hang this on. Drill a hole. Find a screw that won't go past depth of hole. Attach to your shelf.
Hand grinder using its handle. Excellent.
What? And that, my friends, is real nice like. Now you can hang up your grinders, you throw them up on your shelf, and it's out of the way. I already had the scrap wood and the screws. It cost me absolutely nothing to do this, other than maybe a little bit of brain power. And what's cool about this is it hangs under its own weight using the handle, and you don't have to worry about this thing slipping out. Tool Tip Tuesday. So there you go. Oh, another tool tip on Tool Tip Tuesday. If you like it, please don't forget to smash that like button. Greatly appreciated. I want to know what you think. Have you used this hack before? If not, what do you think about it? Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Love hearing your feedback. Now again, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, we upload these every single week. That said, I do want to give a shout out to the TRZ members, and I want to thank them for all the support they have shown. Here's the list right here.
Saul, Don, Laura, Amos, Benjamin, Jason, Jeffrey, Sean, Greg, Betty, Concerned, Ohio Power Tool, Matt, Thomas, Jerry, Jason, J-Man, me again, Dave, and John Rice.
I always appreciate you stopping by. And with that, we'll be back with more videos soon.